The first step is to turn on your mobile device. Playing the 30-second video is step 2, and earning money is step 3. Watching one video can reward you up to $5, but viewing 20 can earn you about $100, and watching 100 can earn you $500 every day, which is pretty fantastic. It is simple for new employees who have never made money before. The good news is that you may access this for free and can get started right away anywhere in the world. I'll lead you through the registration procedure and suggest which videos to view to maximize your earnings. I want you to visit gg2u.org to start. You can register for this website right away at no cost at all. Simple ways to start making money include participating in surveys, playing games, and simply viewing videos. We're going to focus on viewing videos and earning money with them because it's one of the easiest strategies that everyone can do without any prior knowledge. The best feature of this website is that you may create a free account and right away get a $1 bonus for doing so. All that is needed is your first name, email address, login, and password. By clicking on this downward arrow in the country section, you can see that they welcome visitors from all over the world. No matter where you're from, you can still make money online with this global opportunity. When you've finished filling out all the fields, just click here to accept the terms and conditions before selecting the orange sign up button to go to the page where you can get $1 for free just for opening a free account. Another reason I appreciate this service is the multitude of ways you can get your money and payments. Gift cards, PayPal, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies are accepted forms of payment. If you're from a country without PayPal, you can also receive your money by Skrill, Payton, Cash, bank transfer, or any other payment option. Thanks to this service, you have numerous possibilities for watching various videos online while making money. As you can see, compared to other websites, which only provide rates between 40% and 60%, they offer a very high rate, ranging from 65% to 85%. You will see this after finishing the registration process on this website. Greetings from GG2U. We are a very high-paying source for offer wall offers as well as survey routers. We'll offer you a payout rate of up to 65% or even 85%. You will be given $1 in credit for every 100 coins. You will be compensated in coins on this website, and you can exchange 100 coins for $1 in real money. Additionally, after you have $700 coins, you can start withdrawing your money. By going to the next page, you can start earning money right now, so just scroll down and click this "Click to continue" button. Once you've clicked the button, you can see this. Here are some extremely simple things you may do to start earning money. Remember that $1 is equal to 100 coins once more. By scrolling down below, you can see that there is a ton of offers you may complete on this website. You can complete all of these offers and generate several different revenue streams. Once more, viewing videos will be the main focus of our strategy, so if you want to make money by doing nothing but watching films like this, be sure to stay watching and pay attention to my instructions. Please scroll down to the statement at the bottom of this page. Be aware that some of these offers are only accessible for a short period, so try to take advantage of them as soon as you can. Complete these offers if you want to increase your earnings. If you only want to make money by watching videos, however, scroll to the bottom of this page and click the "I am done with this page" button. This will take you to your account. This is the dashboard for the GG2U website. You receive $1 after registering for a free account, as shown above. You can begin making withdrawals after you have another $6. Remember that before you can withdraw your money, you must earn a minimum of $7. If you go down further, you'll discover that there are a ton of other ventures and chances available to you, like AdGem, Peanut Labs, Agate Media, and OfferToro. These are all fairly well-known companies that offer you fantastic opportunities to start making money, such as filling out surveys, installing apps, viewing movies, and so forth. Simply click on any of these firms to start making money. I'd like to provide you with one more example. You can complete further offers to earn money online at the official AdSense Media website by clicking this button, which will take you there. You can take advantage of free trials, participate in surveys, and download mobile apps to make money. Many opportunities are available on a single website. That's it for today. Please share and subscribe. And click the bell icon for more such updates.